Hey guys, Chris Camaro here. Got another video, another unboxing video. Today, well, I already opened the box, but I'll show you what we got. We have cabin filter for our Volkswagen Passat. It's for a 16 Volkswagen. There's your part number. That's what it looks like. I've used this company before. Let's open it and see what we got. Alright. So, that's what it looks like. Got some foam on the sides, I think. And then we got some other stuff. It's tamper-proof security bit set. Made in Taiwan. So, here we go. Got this foam piece in here. With a little ratchet. It's pretty cool. That's which way it's going. It's pretty cool. Okay, can't even say that. But all the different bits here. I'll put the link in the description for this stuff. Alright, I think that is it. Chris Camaro signing off.